Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can remove access for the Google Drive's shared folders that you have shared with someone else. So first of all, let me go here and type Google Drive. Then you can go here drive.google.com to access all of the documents. So now let me scroll down, and here you can see I have few documents listed here. So this one I have shared someone else. Let me show you here this one. So this is the user. Now let me go back, and after that I want to remove this access from this user. Then simply select the document, and after that you can go here on the share button, and now here you can see these are all the users that have access to this document. So now you can go here, and after that scroll down. Now you can simply remove the access, then click on save button. So now let me go back and try to access these documents. Let me scroll down, click on the button open. So guys, now here you can see access is removed. In this way you can easily revoke the access to the shared folders from Google Drive.